Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. And today's video is a new subscription to the channel, and this is from Graze.com, and this is their Graze box. And this is their, I do believe, their sample box, not their full box, because I do believe their full box you get 8 products and this one has 4. And I took a few notes because this is the first time I'm getting this box. So on the Graze, it's www.graze.com, and on their website, I like that they said this. I think it's right in the beginning of their webpage. We believe the healthy choice shouldn't be a compromise to taste, and that is extremely true. Sometimes we try to eat healthy things. They're tasteless. They taste like cardboard. You just plain don't like it because it's something so far away from what you're used to eating. So I like that they, say that their products hopefully will have taste. I haven't opened anything or tried anything. And this is definitely a healthy snack option subscription box. And this is a subscription box. You can get it every month. I think you can choose weekly, every 2 weeks, and monthly, or every 4 weeks. So you do have an option there. You can manage your shipment. You can also take a break if you're going away, or if you're finding you're getting too, you have too many of these. And you can also switch your box type. So, they do offer a lot of variety. In my description box, I will leave their website. I will also leave my referral link if anybody's interested in trying this. And you can also shop on their website, where you can just buy the individual containers, and I'll show you them. And I do believe when you get the regular box, not this little sample box, they're a little bit deeper containers, so you get 8 of them. And if there's something you really love, you can go on their site and repurchase just, that one item, which is nice to know. And the subscription boxes start at $14.99 a month. But if you're getting 8 healthy snacks that you can put in, for school time, I know school's coming to an end, but, come the fall when school starts, for kids' snacks, if they're going to camp this summer, to put in, a container, they're sealed up, for snacking versus eating chips or junk. To have at home, for the adults and the children for snacks is a great thing to take to work. So I will include their website and my referral link if anybody is interested in trying them. So, once again, this is the box, and you can see it's a small box, but it is just their little sample box. And this is what it looks like when you receive it. This is what the box looks like. And there's 2 cards, and then I'll show you the items in this box. And they look delicious. I just opened the tape and opened this, and I was like, oh, I want to eat these, but I just can't eat them until I do the video. And this just basically says, hello, Maureen, welcome to Graze. This is the sampler box. And then you can go into their website, and you can, there's a whole bunch of, these little packs on the screen, these little packs right here, and you can tell them whether you love it, like it, or dislike it, and hopefully they stick true of something you truly dislike. I do know, which was very important, especially when it comes to any kind of nuts and things like that, there is a section when you're signing up that you can list all your food allergies and so forth, because I know that is extremely important these days with people with nut allergies. And then this is just a little, a little card that gives you some information, and that's all on their website. And then there's nutritional value, I guess all of your, your calories and so forth. So that's nice to have. So let's get right into this. So this first one is Sweet Mustard Ranch, and this is pretzel, sour cream, and onion, cashews, and mustard breadsticks. And this is only 130 calories. And that's what that looks like. And I'm going to show you the back so that you can see what it looks like. And obviously it's right before my dinner time, so I'm not going to try that one. I might try one of them I just don't want to, it's already 3:30 in the afternoon, so I'll be eating dinner soon. And if I eat anything like this too much, because, you know, you eat one, you can't just eat one. It's like potato chips. I won't be able to eat dinner. So the next one is the original protein flapjack, and this is 8 grams of protein. And this is rustic rolled oat flapjack with flax seeds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. So that's very nice. So that's 3 little bars, and I'll show you the back. I mean, they look delicious. This one looks like a favorite. This is a definite little, and this would be great for anybody's snack. And this is a snickerdoodle dip, and this is with cinnamon pretzel sticks, and this is 150 calories. So you get some pretzel sticks, and then you get the snickerdoodle dip, and I'll show you the back. So, you know, here's the size of the containers. I mean, they're not huge, but this is the sample. This is the one that I wanted to try. This is the Cherry, Pear, and Walnut Anytime Energizer. And this has just those things, cherry, pear, and walnuts. I didn't know if it gave a calorie count. So that's what this one is right here. And you can see them in the back. So this is one I will open up and try. Just because nuts and any kind of like chewy, like a cranberry or anything like raisins, anything like that with nuts, you know, I love. Very good, very fresh. That's good to know. And I guess this is a piece of the pear. Very, very good. And what is the other thing in here? Oh, cherry. So you get, you know, they look like raisins. Definitely cherries. Everything is very fresh. The cherry is not hard like a raisin. You know, you want it to be soft. You don't want it to be rock hard. The pear was still soft and very fresh tasting. So I'm very pleased with this. I will try the other ones. Like I said, if it wasn't before dinner time, I would be okay with that. Now my little dog is here because I just opened that and she can smell it. Of course, she wants something like that and she can't have it. So I am happy with this subscription and can't wait to get the full size. And I think I chose every 4 weeks. You know, I don't want to have, you know, get a stockpile of this stuff. You know, I don't need that. But every 4 weeks, I will be getting 8 packages. And like I said, I think they're a little bit deeper than these. And even if they're the same size, that's fine. There's 8 of them. So here's my little girl. She's sitting right next to me. She got her sniffer going, wants to know what's in my box here. So that is my video for today. And this is from Graze.com. And what I showed you is their sampler box, and I'm so looking forward to, there's a little hair. I am so looking forward to getting the full-size box, which I said I think I get the 2nd week of June, so I'll be sharing that with all of you. So thanks so much for watching this video, and don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know what you think about Graze.com, and would you get something like this? Not interested at all, so forth. Like I said, you know, you can... Obviously, when you tell them if you don't like something, you would not get some of these items in your normal box if you either one have a food allergy or just tell them you don't like it. They do try to customize your box to your likes. And most importantly, just subscribe to this video and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you leave. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.